Hey guys, so I just finished yoga. Me and my mom went to the 10 a.m. class and it was super hot and sweaty in there, and thank God there were no men, so I was able to like just take off my hijab and just be free. Just got home, I ran a few errands, I had to go by the post office and everything, so now it is almost 12 o'clock now, so it's kind of late in the day. I haven't eaten anything except a piece of toast this morning, so I'm gonna make myself a smoothie. I'm gonna get dressed and then I'm gonna go to the grocery store. I'm gonna show you guys what I get from the grocery store, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna meal prep for the rest of this week. So I usually prep on Saturdays because we work on Sunday. Omar was telling me the other day, like, Leena, I know that you like meal prep once a week, but that only lasts us like half the week, and then the rest of the week he's starving, and I feel like I'm not being a good wife. So yeah, we're gonna have to up the cooking game. He said he's gonna help me too, so it's not just gonna be me. So I make this smoothie all the time on my Insta story. You guys probably have already seen this because I've been drinking this for years, but if you haven't, basically what it is, just like a chocolate peanut butter smoothie. It has banana, almond milk, some raw cacao powder, and some peanut butter. And then I'm also gonna add in a packet of my collagen peptides. This is just really good for hair, skin, and nails and joints. This is by Vital Proteins. I really love this stuff. It doesn't taste like anything, so you could literally just put it in your water, but I just put it in my smoothie. I'm gonna actually go and blend this up in like a back room because Omar's still sleeping. He worked last night and I do not want to wake him up. Okay, I feel so much better. Took a shower, put some makeup on, I got dressed. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this vest that I got last year from Zara. It's literally been on repeat like since last year. It's just the perfect like transition piece. And I'm wearing this embroidered blouse that I got from H&M recently. I absolutely love the sleeves on these. And then some jeans that I got from her Forever 21 so long ago. They're like literally my favorite jeans because they're high-waisted and I cut off the bottoms. They were like flared. So they're like cropped flared jeans. And my hijab is the hot hijab jersey in light mink. It's just like my favorite go-to daytime comfy hijab. So we're gonna run to the grocery store. I'm gonna get some stuff to make like what I call power bowls. It's basically gonna have like lots of protein, quinoa, and veggies and stuff. It's like one of my favorite things to make. I haven't made it in a really long time actually, so I'm excited to make that. And I wanna go by Lowe's or Home Depot or just somewhere that sells plants because I really wanna find like a big plant to go in my house. If I can't find one, I think we're going to IKEA this weekend and hopefully I can find one there, but I want a live plant. I'm gonna see if I can keep it alive. I have this fake one back there that I love that I got from IKEA, but I want like a bigger one. Okay guys, I came to Lowe's and I wasn't expecting them to have the plant that I wanted, but they have it, and I don't know why I'm so excited about a plant, but let me show you what it looks like. It's basically one of those like banana leaf trees. So I see it like right there, and I'm wondering if I can fit it in my car because my car is not that big. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, it is so hot right now. I'm literally sweating so much right now. So yeah, they had the plant that I wanted, but my car is too small to fit it. Like, I don't know what I was thinking. So I'm gonna have to borrow my dad's truck so I can get the plant, but I'm so excited that they actually have it. I wasn't even expecting that. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store. I'm sorry I didn't vlog much while I was there, like at all. I just cannot vlog in public yet. Like, it's just so intimidating to me. I'm basically just cooking for like the next few days. I want to have like a meal that I can like have for lunch or have for dinner or just something so I can fill in my meals because I haven't been cooking enough. I don't know, I haven't really had much of an appetite recently. And then I forget that, oh wait, like my husband probably hungry, you know what I mean? So I'm craving like a quinoa bowl with chicken and kind of like Mediterranean style. I want to do like a little like cucumber, tomato, and like Kalamata olive salad. And I have some hummus I'm gonna put in there too, and some chickpeas and some mint. So I'm just gonna make like a little bowl, and I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. So this isn't like my full grocery haul that I would usually do like once a week. I get like everything. This is basically just so I can make this one meal. So I got some baby cucumbers. I love these. I got some cherry tomatoes. I got some mint. I actually need to get like a mint plant. This is such a waste of money. Mint grows so well, especially like where I live. So I don't know why I don't have a mint plant. I got some hummus. This is an organic one. I really don't usually buy pre-made hummus, so we'll see how this one tastes. I got some quinoa. I love this brand. It's like red and white and like brown quinoa, like all mixed together. It tastes really, really good. I got some chickpeas and I got some chicken, and I also got some bananas just because I love making smoothies and I have to have these so I can freeze them. So that's basically all I got. I'm gonna go ahead and start cooking. First thing I'm gonna do is make the quinoa, and I'm gonna make it in a rice cooker. Quinoa is really easy to make, but I just have been so used to using a rice cooker. I never actually grew up using a rice cooker. Ever since Omar and I got married, we had this on our registry, and we got it when we got married, and I have not used anything else to make rice. Like, it's just so easy. So if you guys aren't using a rice cooker, definitely look into it. Like, it just makes your life so much easier. You just put the ingredients in and turn it on, and it just makes perfect rice or quinoa every single time. So when making quinoa or rice, I always just follow the directions that are on the packet. And this says 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of a liquid. So I'm gonna measure all of that out, just pop it in the rice cooker. I'm gonna add a little bit of salt, that much. Then I'm just going to turn it on, and it's just as easy as that. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the chicken. I'm going to set the oven to 400. Okay, so I have my chicken here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut them up into a little bit smaller pieces just so they cook faster. So I'm gonna cut them up and then I will season them. Let me take off my ring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the chicken in the bowl, and then I'm gonna season it with some garlic salt, and I'm almost out of this, but I bought a backup. This is like my favorite spice to put on everything. I love garlic salt. And then what makes this so good is lemon pepper. Lemon pepper gives it just like a little bit, just like a little tanginess, and it's just so good. I love this one as well, and I'm running low on this. I need to get some more. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of allspice. I got this at our local like Arabic grocery store, but I think it's just like allspice that you can get anywhere, I think. But it gives it like a little bit more of like an Arabic flavor. I'm gonna put some olive oil in there. And I like to put a lot of the garlic salt, like a lot. And since this has salt in it, I don't add any extra salt after this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of the garlic salt and then 1 tablespoon of the lemon pepper. Yeah, it's about 1 tablespoon. Okay, and then I'll just put like, I'll start out with, let's see, what am I starting out with? 1 teaspoon of the allspice. I'll see, maybe just like a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna mix this together, and then if I feel like it's not coating it properly, then I'll add some more. Okay, so I lined a baking sheet with foil. I'm gonna go ahead and just distribute my chicken evenly on the pan. The main thing about this though is when you're cooking it, you have to cover chicken when you cook it. Like, I did not know that for the longest time. Every time I cooked chicken, I just literally wasted it. It turned out like so dry, like so, like I could not even chew it. It was so bad, and I was just like, why am I cooking this chicken so horribly. Like, what is wrong with me? And it was because I never covered it. So that is the secret that I'm sure everybody knows except me. Okay, so I just covered this. I am going to stick this in the oven for like, I'll start out with 25 minutes, and I'm gonna see what it looks like after that. Okay, for the salad that's gonna go with this, I'm gonna do some baby cucumbers, some cherry tomatoes, mint, red onion, Kalamata olives, and for the dressing on it, it's basically just lemon juice and olive oil and salt. And I thought we had lemons, but we only have lime. I've never ever done that before, and I don't know how that's gonna taste. Another thing that I forgot is feta cheese. I love feta cheese, especially with this kind of a meal with like Kalamata olives, and it's like the like Greek vibes. It's always so much easier to cut tomatoes with a serrated knife. That is another pro tip that I learned from my mother-in-law. Just going to take the leaves of the mint off of the stems. Here is my beautiful cucumber and tomato salad. I am gonna add the Kalamata olives. Usually I would cut them up, but Omar doesn't really like black olives for some reason, so I just leave them whole so that he can like pick them out and just leave them for me. Since I am prepping this for a few days, I'm not gonna add the dressing on it. I'm just gonna make it on the side. That way the vegetables don't get soggy. I do have 1/2 of a lemon, so I'm gonna make this work. I'm gonna do, for the dressing, I'm gonna do olive oil, 1/2 a lemon, and then since I don't have a lot of lemon, I'm gonna add a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of salt to this. Okay, that should be good. Stir it around. Smells very vinegary, so hopefully this is good. Okay, it says that my quinoa is done, so I'm gonna check it. I have to use a fork to open it because this thing is super hot. And voila! Perfect, fluffy quinoa. Oh my gosh, that looks so yummy. So for the chickpeas, I don't really like to eat them just completely like plain. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat them up in a pan with some garlic salt and a little bit of cumin. That way they're a little bit spiced and seasoned so they have a little bit more flavor. Look who conveniently came home right as I was almost done cooking.
Hello.
Okay, so now I have my chopped up chicken. I have the hummus that I bought. I have chickpeas, quinoa, and my salad. I'm gonna put this all together because I'm hungry. As you guys know, I haven't really eaten that much today, so I'm gonna go ahead and make one of these bowls for myself and Omar as well. Okay, so this is it, guys. I have my quinoa, chickpeas, chicken, and then the salad, and then some hummus in the middle. I'm gonna add the dressing just a little bit to, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit some more. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit to my salad, and that's it. This looks so, so yummy. So good, especially with like the mint and the salad, and like the hummus is really, really good too. Quinoa. So, so yummy.